I'm living for the sick and the poor, the hungry and the shelterless sleeping on the floor. I'm giving all I got and more. I know God bless me and open up the doors. I'm living for the young and the old, the blind and the deaf and the dumb, as you know. I'm giving God the love to all the poor, beautiful people of the world. Government's coming with the same damn thing. Millionaires ain't doing one thing. Children listen when the rest of man sing. No matter the destruction, one praise the king. Warn them and tell them there is right over wrong. Mr. President, why is it to make the bombs? Every day is weapon of mass destruction. See, they got no love for anyone. I'm living for the sick and the poor, the hungry and the senseless sleeping on the floor. I'm giving what I got and more, cause I know that the most I'll bless me for sure. I'm living for the young and the old, the blind and the deaf and the dumb, as you know. I'm giving God the love to all those beautiful people of the world. Don't you worry, I'm a people, cause Rasta never leave you. Babylon try to deceive you. Africa with open arms will receive you. Although this operation hard, well listen, we're doing it for a cause. Sometimes though I'm no food on me yard, journey me have to step to walk. I'm sleeping, I'm living, yeah. I'm giving, since no one cared for them, Christ there for them. And
Derek sound big up yourself, you know. Derek and Master Nico big up yourself, set speed, Mr. Run the rhythm. You know, so who shall bless, no one curse. Conquering lion, tribe of Judah, hail the Most High first. Yeah. A Derek sound, praises Jah, hail the Emperor, King of kings, I'm answered to a fullness. Have to express Rastafari that I hold. Derek sound, I tell them praises Jah, hail the Emperor, King of kings, to a fullness. Yeah. Derek sound a bounce it, Jah Rastafari we a praise. Hail King Sizzla always. Well then, just like a lion, you now go time Derek sound, bomb the fire and the flames. Hey, and the Malcolm X or Martin Luther this Derek sound, come here so and trick all and them tricks while I see Bob Marley rose and you kill the prophet. Why you don't kill those them and the pulpits? No, use them to say the minds of the youth, and as they preach, the youth them cease from knowing the truth. Well, this is the truth above our circumstances. See how them constantly building churches. Them church defend them slackness as usual. Hey, Derek sound you play the music as usual. Praises Jah, hail the Emperor, King of kings, a man say to a fullness. Have to express Rastafari that I own. Well, Niggas and his disciples were all black, so is the ancient of days. Rastaman said that the truth is real, make it known to boys and girls. Derek sound play this your music all over the praises Jah, hail the Emperor, King of
Yeah, you got to get going, no time to sit down. Some people not know life is a cycle.
You gotta know how to get around. Woo! Ha. Yes, you got to be strong and be all the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fears. Down you way too long. Yes, you got to be strong and be all the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fears. And down you way too long. Hi, how you doing? Long time I haven't seen you. Hope you're behaving yourself now like the good behaving citizen. Nothing come easy, you got to work hard, I'm telling you. Hope and pray for the best, cause I believe in you. Not like the stereotype, cleanliness intriguing you. Give thanks and praise for my life and for us being here. Children can't go to school, the system killing us. There's good in us, and we've always wanted to bring it out. Show the world what we got, the struggle continues, yo. Check the conditions in which we're living, yo. I know what.
Well, I so bless the man that reveal the truth, you know. And to this generation, those with them eye and has never overstand. Oh now, oh children, Babylon build them cities and break their own laws. So long you've been amongst them, yet they didn't teach you that the fools get caught. So take us to the place where justice embedded in our heart. Truly ours, Ethiopia, he was born there. Emperor Selassie, they all fail to adore our judgment. We the people must be true to ourselves. Stoop to brutality, you perish and help. How they want to hide, what make them don't want to help. The children going idly, having no strength. Our duty is to teach, so you make it frequent. You know it, up on your shoulders there comes their judgment. So cannot be going that way, killing yourself, what's the sense? Them young tell them get the teaching from the high sense. Oh children, Babylon build them cities and break their own laws. So long you've been amongst them, yet they didn't teach you that the fools get caught. So take us to the place where justice embedded in our heart. Truly yours in Ethiopia, he was born there. Emperor Selassie, they all fail to adore. Once more, firing guns becomes disobedience. They know not from whence they came, so they rebel against Babylon. Set it so building them bridges and fence, that them not support them so-called government. Them engineer the downfall of the righteous children. Remind them of slavery was not an accident. Man, I'm not night. Oh, I just come to liberate the captivity. Heal broke naughty and look from my night parents, let me dollar show I certain things. I used to laugh still, but you don't know man if I come and live them live. I stand up and watch them. All the parents I make all them youth are going to bubble on. Come see you now, then come look you now, friend. Right, they get the youth them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is their surname? Homeless, who bears their pain? From the mess I see them picking up them brains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark, is their surname? Homeless, who bears their pain? From the mess, hey, bless up those who pray. Give thanks, many come and say still they read blank because of negligence. You're lowering their rank, I refute your statement. Where is the balance? House of false of men. I mean you up and down a damn. We economical well tight. Who no yam? Left me in a nothing but devastation. And now you're gonna call another election when them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark, is my surname? Homeless, who bears their pain? From the mess, hey, what is it you can tell me when the stable's still lean? You keep rocking the boat, yo, you know what we mean. What's your reaction when they flip up on the screen? Say your police and your soldiers kill a community clean. Hey, day, your system to our pocket is a razor, so your money will trickle to you later. You don't help any now, you design to suffer. Now you sell us out to please your ego. We call upon the ghetto, you then we stay strong. Them don't have no title for the earth, only for the land. Still I see on the root, they were target strong. Don't define your line, it's stand up black man, cause the ghetto you them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is the surname. Homeless, who bears the pain? No, take black people to gain homeless.